What's up, everybody? We're back with part 3. So the middle video, unboxing Artel W Miniatures Hydrophilia. The nostalgic VHS style on this one as well. And today, or this time, The Government, labeled Midnight Justice. Alright, so in the pack here you get Themis, Hunter, Captain Davis, and 3 patrol officers. There are 2 add-ons that you can actually order on this. The add-ons are Sniper and Inspector. So let's go through the cards real quick. Alright, so first the add-on cards. We got Sniper, Inspector. We have 3 patrols, so Patrol 1, Patrol 2, Patrol 3. We have Hunter. We have Themis and Captain Davis. Okay, those are your character cards. It comes with the attacks, the abilities, and what I can assume, because I still have not read the rules of the game. I just got them because look how cool those minis are. I mean, look at them. They're amazing. So let's see. First, the patrol. Okay, we're looking at a torso and legs with what looks like to be 3 other parts. So a head and 2 arms. Fairly quick to put together. Patrol number 2 comes with 4 as well, which are torso, arms, and a head. The third actually only comes with what looks like to be three pieces. Looks like a baton, the arm, the hand, the gun, and the torso and the head and the other arm. So we're going to run through this one fairly quick because there was a lot of mistakes in the last one. So, alright, Captain Davis here. Looking like a gnarly Bruce Willis. Comes with 2 parts to put together. Sniper, which is the add-on. So you have the torso, the gun and arm. You have the rubble. And you have his lower half. So something fairly quick to put together that will look pretty awesome, in my opinion. Hunter. We have torso. And we have 4 other items that actually has to go on here. So be aware that these resin minis are not put together nor painted for you. So the other add-on, which is Inspector, which is one that I'm looking forward to painting in this pack because, well, I'm a pervert. What more do you want from me? 5 pieces altogether, a fire hydrant, the hand and gun, the head, and it looks like the tablet of some sort that she's holding, as well as the torso and legs. Last but not least is this big gnarly thing, which comes in several parts. So we have the main, I guess, chest. We have guns for either side. We have the joints. We have the feet. We have miniguns. So what do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 pieces to put together on that. But at the end of the day, you have this cool looking stuff to look forward to. Everybody needs a little order in their life, especially whenever you're playing something futuristic and cyberpunk style. So that's where the government comes into play. So the link's down below. Go get the set. Go get all the sets.